This is a ode to vice grip. Gun 1,000 miles to get it home. Should be fine, right? Probably not. Getting on the road with vice grip, Derek. Fixing them cars always seems so hectic. Pace is fast, Jessica keeps him on the move. Don't worry about the stop, oh laters, what we gotta lose. Derek tells us we need 3 things to get her running. Starting with the sparker, laters gets the fire maker happen. Next the fuel, make it happener, needs to bring the fire maker. Bring the wind in, and then we just need to bring the thunder. Nope, that will never happen. Oh yeah, I love working on stop-o-laters. It's my favorite thing to do. Nope, rather wrestle gators. Fuel, make it happen or will let me down. Just want me a rig to get me to town. It's bingo night, you know. Dumping oil bay too. Oh, that's right, I'm here alone. He opens up the power barn to see what he can see. Peepers settle on a real old motor. Mostly there, set the parts that aren't. This one's gonna need the NHRA fuel cell. Saves dropping the tank. Brake cleaner down the yap. Need some track, sounds like a tank. Dumping oil by 2. Oh, that's right, I'm here alone. He opens up the power barn to see what he can see. Peepers settle on real old motor. Mostly there, set the parts that aren't. This one's gonna need the NHRA fuel cell. Saves dropping the tank. Brake cleaner down the yap. Needs some track, sounds like a tank. Oh yeah, I love working on stop-o-laters. It's my favorite thing to do. No rather wrestle gators. Fuel, make it happen or will let me down. Just want me a rag to get me to town. I gotta get home to help little Grip Barrage on his nurse. Aw, Derek from Vice Grip Garage, bringing back old cars good for a laugh. 2.2 million subscribers and growing fast. Vice Grip and family are here to last. Yeah, Vice Grip is here to last. Wow, I don't know, it's a little shiny for a guy